In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Facebook customer service. Whether you're dealing with login issues, a hacked account, or need assistance with your business or advertisements, connecting with Facebook support is essential to resolving your challenges. I'll guide you through the steps to access the help you need. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Facebook's customer service page. To do this, open your preferred web browser and simply type Facebook customer service into the search bar. Hit enter, and this should bring up the link to Facebook's customer support avenue. Click on this link to enter the support area. This page is your gateway to addressing a variety of issues with your Facebook account or page. It's always a good idea to have your login credentials handy, just in case you need to sign in to access more specific help. Once you're on the customer service page, you will be presented with a series of topics. This is where you need to precisely identify what issue you're facing. You will find categories such as login problems, concerns about hacked accounts, making an appeal, and more. Choose the topic that best fits your situation and follow the prompts provided. This structured approach is designed to streamline the support process and offer targeted help for regular user issues, making it the most reliable method for resolution. If you need assistance beyond personal account issues, perhaps you're seeking support for business-related concerns or advertising queries, there's a section for that too. For this specific type of support, you'll want to head to the Business Help Center. You can find this link on the same page by looking for Visit Business Help Center. Clicking on this will direct you to a dedicated support page for business accounts, offering specialized help. On the Business Help Center page, you have a few options to find answers to your questions. You can either type directly into the search bar if you know exactly what you're looking for, or you can choose to browse through various topics. Browsing might be helpful if you're unsure about the exact nature of your issue, or if you want to explore potential solutions to other common problems. Moreover, as you navigate through the business support home, take some time to explore the additional resources available. There's a wealth of information designed to assist business users, ranging from troubleshooting guides to tips on optimizing your advertising strategy. Remember, patience is key. Exploring these resources can turn out to be immensely beneficial in preventing future issues or maximizing your Facebook experience. I hope you find this guide helpful. By knowing exactly where to go and what to do, you can efficiently connect with Facebook's customer service and get the support you need. Thank you for watching, and if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.